Alright, well this is the next day from what you just saw in that montage or whatever fast forward thing, but I was just gonna wake up, come out here, do a few things, make the video, but I went outside, my tire is completely flat. So now I have to go up to Dobbs, get it patched, and I guess we'll just start it later. It's kind of ridiculous, but you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, finally I'm back. It was a leaky bead, so he got it fixed up, not a big deal, but now we have the clean rim on the spare, and then we got the dirty rim on the car right now, which, whatever, you know, it's fine. Maybe I'll switch it back, but the one that got the leaky bead also was the one that got the puncture in it, so that tire is kind of rough. Now, as you might know from the other videos that I've made, I like to do things and then a few weeks later take them back to the way they were. And this video is no different from that. So as you can see, I took the back seat and everything out, and I'm putting back in this platform. I really just kind of wanted the platform back, so we're almost done. Let's go ahead and finish it up. Alright, so there you go. It's all back. Everything's back. I have a lot more room for stuff. And it's really extremely cold out here, so I'm going to end this video here. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so help me get there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.